Have you ever thought about how your daily routine, like shopping, commuting, or choosing where to live, is shaped by the environment around you? From the layout of streets to access to public transportation, the built environment influences not only how we move, but also our health and behavior. Built environment measures such as population density, job population balance, employment density, and transportation networks play a critical role in shaping physical activity, health outcomes, and travel mode choices. For researchers, these measures are valuable inputs for developing analytical models such as regression models and geospatial analysis. In this tutorial, we will explore the EPA Smart Location Database, a nationwide resource for measuring location efficiency. The Smart Location Database contains more than 90 attributes at the census block group level across the United States. These include housing density, land use diversity, street network design, accessibility to destinations, transit service, employment, and demographic measures. The database was first released in 2011 with the latest update in 2021. To access the data, go to the Smart Location Mapping website on epa.gov. Use the interactive map viewer to explore variables. On the left panel, select Content to view measures such as intersection density, transit service frequency, accessibility index, and land use diversity. You can zoom into specific metro areas and view spatial patterns. For detailed information, refer to the technical documentation and user guide, which provides definitions, formulas, and data sources. You can also download the database in multiple formats, including GIS shapefiles, Geodatabase, and DBF tables, for integration into your research workflows. If these measures align with your research objectives, download the dataset and begin incorporating built environment variables into your analysis. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial makes it easier for you to find and use new datasets.